guys, welcome back to Mira's Kitchen. Today we are going to have some fun and we are going to use this decorating Halloween kit and we are going to decorate some pre-baked cookies. You want to let them know what's inside the box? This is the box that we are going to use today.
16 pre-baked cookies, icing, glittery sugar.
And it has some accessories, right?
Yeah.
So it has accessories like the sprinkles.
And some eyeballs.
Some eyeballs to decorate the pumpkins. And some sparkly, glittery sugars. And so, let's get started. So here we're gonna have some empty bowls that we're gonna use. This is just to empty out all the glitters and the decoration. And then we have a flat plate that I lined up with parchment paper.
We're going to cut it.
So we're just gonna empty all the glittery sugar in one bowl. That way it's just easier to grab later when we start decorating the cookies. And then I think there is an orange one here as well. So we're gonna get a new bowl. Okay, what else? Eyeballs?
We have mouths and eyes and noses.
Okay, what's next? The next one. Ooh.
Ooh, they come in different.
These are, what are those? Little pumpkins or?
Oh, those are bows.
Those are bows, pumpkins, little pumpkins. And what's the one on the top? They look like mustache. For our little pumpkins to have a little mustache. Okay, let's get this other bowl. Alright, so these are like what, little eyeballs?
And here's like a trick-or-treat basket.
Oh, that's cute. So we got our decoration here going on. We got our glittery sugars, orange and white. I think there is a gold one as well. Check over there. Oh, there we go. So we're gonna have to use that one too. So let's open that one. And, oh, that's really pretty, huh?
Yes.
Okay.
That's my favorite color too.
Yay, gold. Yeah, it is your favorite color. And then we got some icing. So what we're gonna do is we need to open the cookies first. You wanna take a few cookies out. Oh, and they have what are those, Halloween monsters?
No, those are ghosted.
Oh, they're ghosties, okay. So we took out a pumpkin cookie and then now we're gonna start decorating.
Cut a little tip of the icing. Lining the pumpkin.
And then the inside lines as well. So we're just lining the pumpkin, and that way we can start adding, more icing on the inside as well as decoration.
Now fill out my pumpkin and start decorating. Now I'm gonna start decorating.
Oh, that color looks really nice, huh? Are you gonna add any white sprinkles? Or are you just gonna make it orange?
Yes.
Yay. Now we got some, what is this? So we're putting the ice. That's the ice?
Yes.
Mouse.
And now the nose.
Nose. That's cute. This is how it looks. Now let's you want to do like a Halloween ghost now?
Yeah. Now I'm gonna cut a little tip for the white icing.
And then what are you doing right now?
I'm filling in the sides.
So you're lining up the ghost.
Mm-hmm.
That looks like a creepy ghost.
It looks like a mummy. Mummy wrapped in the toilet paper.
Yeah, looks like you're wrapping him in toilet papers. It's funny. So now we're gonna decorate him. Some eyeballs.
Ooh, so funny.
Oh, and now he looks really creepy.
No, he's not gonna look creepy now.
Oh my goodness.
He's gonna go trick-or-treating.
Oh, how fun. He's got his trick-or-treating
Bow. Basket, I mean.
basket and all. How cute.
Sprinkles!
All right, let's put some sprinkles. This is so fun, guys, for your if you have little ones at home. This is so fun. They get so creative. And
I like this, Mom.
I know you do. She's in love with it. You can just, it doesn't have to be perfect. It's just for them to have that experience of decorating and just, be creative and have fun.
We need glitter.
Glitter. We're gonna use the gold one.
Yeah.
Wow.
His eyeballs is
So I think that's a girl ghost overall.
Yeah.
After all, I was calling a he all the time.
He's holding another basket.
Oh, he's gonna have 2 Halloween baskets.
Yeah, for his friend Pumpkin.
Oh, how cute. Nice. I think we should start decorating more pumpkins.
Next year.
Next year. Okay. So we decided to do another pumpkin.
Yay.
Nice.
Wow. Beautiful.
So for the icing, you have to kind of twist the top and kind of like push it down so that you have like a nice flow of icing down.
So smooth.
Now, what you're gonna use white icing to decorate in between?
You're so nice.
Now this one has 2 colors, white and orange.
Look at it. Next one. Feel it in. Feel it in. Whoa. Almost done. I like this part.
The curvy one?
Yeah.
No, that's nice.
Twirl. Done. This looks so pretty.
Really? You like white and orange together?
Yeah. But my more favorite color is white and pink.
But not for Halloween, right? Some sprinkles.
Beautiful.
Which eyes you gonna use this time on that one? Oh, nice. I love that gold color.
We need some white.
Okay, now let's which one you're gonna do funny faces. And that's for the mouse.
No, it's his eyeballs.
No. Okay, that's one eye.
Another eye.
Nice.
No. Let's make a silly mouth.
Let's make a silly mouse now. Is that a silly one? Nice. I kind of want to give this pumpkin a little bow. What do you think? Just because she's pretty. Oh, got a Halloween basket.
I want the bow for the ghost. Yeah, in the
You want it
bow.
for the ghost? Okay,
Yeah.
that's fine. I think it wasn't there more than one bow? Oh, just 2, huh? There's 2 bows. Okay.
Let's put an eyeball here.
No,
He looks
that's
silly.
not gonna look good.
He looks silly.
No, you silly.
He
All
looks
right.
silly.
So there is another one that we just finished.
This is what we did, guys. We have a happy pumpkin, a silly pumpkin, a ghost with a mustache, and a ghost that is going to trick or treat.
Because he has the Halloween baskets, right?
Hello.
So this is how creative we got, guys, so far. We still have a whole bunch here of ghosts and pumpkins. There's about 12 left here that we gonna continue on doing, but this is how it looks like so far. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. And I hope you have little ones at home that can also do this with you. It is so much fun for them, and I hope you enjoyed it.
Give us a big thumbs up and subscribe.
And subscribe, please.
Bye-bye.
Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos, tutorials, and more fun videos like this. Okay, guys, happy Halloween.
Happy Halloween.
Bye. Thank you for watching.